Welcome to a Panther Security Systems Limited how-to video. This video is to demonstrate how to change the battery in a PIR sensor. When your control panel tells you that you need to change the battery in one of your sensors, the first stage of the process is to partly unscrew the small screw at the bottom of the sensor. This doesn't need to come all the way out, just enough for the front of the sensor to hinge up. Remove the front cover and then gently press up on the spring clip inside to release the circuit board. Lift the circuit board out of the sensor and you'll find the battery on the back of the board. Simply pull the old battery out from the spring clips holding it. Place a new battery in the clips, taking care that the positive terminal is at the plus sign on the circuit board. Place the circuit board back into the sensor, placing the bottom edge in first behind the two plastic lugs. Ease the top of the board past the spring clip at the top. The front cover then goes back by hinging it from the top. Tighten the screw on the bottom of the unit and the job's done. Thank you for watching.